Meow.
What's going on, man?
Big stretch. That is a good one.
Nous, quand il y avait plusieurs enfants, quand il y avait 7 enfants, on mettait jusqu'à 1200 euros de course à l'armoire.
She was so intense.
Are you gonna pray or someone else is gonna pray?
Hello, kitty.
Get. Oh.
No es fácil. ¿Qué vas a hacer con tu hijo? ¿Qué le vas a dar?
Pray or someone else is gonna pray?
No! This macaroni turns one. Ow.
Oliver.
You want me to turn your game back on? Okay.
It's Dave. I'd love to see you, brother. I know it's been a while.
Oh no.
Lulu.
Don't bite me. Why'd you bite me? Don't do it.
Hey.
Up in the air.
Monument in 1909 to save the declining Earth.
Comet. I love you.
Oh. Hi, how you doing?
Spicy. Hey, spicy.
Y'all.
Cheeseburger?
That's the last thing she needs.
No!
Why did you do that?
Should I get a dog?
And I are gonna get dressed.
Happy birthday to you. Oh, I bought this one. She's in there again.
Hello. Hello.
Hey.
Then my head hit the wall. Boom.
The most beautiful girl in the room.
You? There you go.
In there. Show it to me. Show it to me.
Specifically set aside this area as a national monument in 1909 to save the declining.
Yay, bro.
Excuse me? Oh my. Spicy. Hey, spicy.
Спасибо, моя кися.
Ma'am, that is not ladylike. Oh.
Comet, I love you. Why won't you adopt me?
Because you're black!
The freaking counters! Augustus! Oh no, are you peeing?
Want somebody?
I'm sorry.
Ay, qué bonito.
No, he's gonna make it. Oh shit.
Is your food bowl empty?
This family makes me want to murder people.
To you too. Not our $2 chair.
What? No.
It's not that serious.
You're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Wee. Wee.
This is Jude peeing in my puzzle. Why? You. I feel you. Come on.
Hey, come on.